Green Lamb has been a hallmark of exceptional artistry and unbridled passion for innovation. It is India's #1, Asia's largest, and among the top 3 brands in the world offering a variety of surface solutions. Carrying forward this legacy of true craftsmanship, we introduce you to Mikasa Real Wood Floors. The first and only engineered wooden flooring brand in the country to be manufactured in India. Ethically sourced varied wood species from across the world, we keep the natural feel of the wood untouched. We offer warranties up to 30 years. Hence our promise for you to grow up to wood. Mikasa floors are joined using plank lock revolutionary technology that locks 2 planks together seamlessly. This patented locking mechanism delivers an array of advantages: glue-free, thereby less messy, convenient and quick installation and uninstallation process. Mikasa floors can be installed on top of most existing floors. For cleaning your real wood floors, use microfiber mop available for both damp and dry cleaning. For damp cleaning, use Mikasa recommended daily cleaner. If you need to use a machine, make sure no water is used and that the cleaner uses vertical rotating brushes. For tough stains, we suggest using Mikasa recommended floor deep cleaner. For minor marks and to regain luster of the floor, you can use a Mikasa recommended lacquer refresher. In case of dents and scratch marks, we recommend getting in touch with your Mikasa representative or a professional floor repairing firm. To replace a board with plank lock, lift the board up to the damaged board. Reinstall the lifted boards and reuse the boards laid next to the damaged ones. This helps maintain the color and texture of the previous pattern. For detailed guidelines on maintenance instructions in residential and commercial application, download the maintenance guide available in the resource section of the Mikasa website. To know more, log on to www.mikasafloors.com. Follow us on our social media handles, and for any queries, reach us on our toll-free number 1800-833-0004 or SMS Mikasa to 53030. You can also write to us at info@mikasafloors.com. Enjoy Mikasa.